Hello everyone, welcome to Nley Self-Study. On this channel we usually learn maths and science concepts. Today I'm starting a new beginner-friendly series especially for teachers and tutors. In this video, I'll explain what AI is using simple English with no technical terms. Many teachers ask this question. What is AI in simple terms? AI means artificial intelligence. In simple words, AI is a smart computer tool and that helps us think faster, write better, and plan our work easily. Just like a calculator helps us solve maths faster, AI helps teachers with planning and explaining lessons. AI does not think on its own, it works based on the instructions we give. Now let's see how is AI useful for teachers. AI can help teachers save a lot of time. Teachers can use AI to create lesson plans, worksheets, homework questions, and explanations in minutes. Instead of spending hours preparing material, teachers can focus more on teaching and guiding students. Do teachers already use AI? The answer is yes. Many teachers already use AI even though they don't realize it. For example, Google search, spell check, then grammar suggestion, autocorrect. All these are simple forms of AI. Now tools like ChatGPT, they are advanced versions and that helps teachers with writing and planning work more efficiently. This is a very common concern. Will AI replace teachers? The answer is no. AI will not replace teachers because AI cannot understand students' emotions, manage classrooms, or motivate learners. Teachers play a very important role that technology can never replace. AI is only a support tool, not a replacement. In this series, I'll show you step by step how teachers and tutors can use AI tools safely and effectively. If you are an educator and want to save time and teach smarter, this series is for you. Please subscribe to the channel and check the AI for Teachers playlist. A complete step-by-step AI course for teachers is coming soon. Thank you for watching.